My professional boxer, he's very famous. He just won a huge tournament. And the tribute to his ability to get reinvigorated by the red light therapy. It seems to help him prepare for his big fights. I have been in practice, a practicing chiropractic physician for over 40 years. And I find this therapy to be quite amazing in its results. I started looking into this a couple of years ago. And I then started knowing that I wanted to do some work with this red near infrared light therapy. And I bought the best machine in my estimation. We've been using it on many different types of patients. We've used it on a professional athlete that I treat who's pretty famous. Most of my patients exhibit the following great effects. First of all, they notice they have more energy. They sleep better. Most of them lose their aches and pains. They focus better. They have all these wonderful feelings of decreased depression is a big one here. Decreased anxiety feels. In fact, I have a psychotherapist who routinely sends her patients to me and has told me that all of them have responded very well in terms of their depression and their anxiety. So that's a very interesting. My professional boxer, he's very famous. He just won a huge tournament. And the tribute to his ability to get reinvigorated by the red light therapy. It seems to help him prepare for his big fights. And he just won, as I said, a big fight recently, a couple of weeks ago, a welterweight champion. It's a matter of getting them to the right machine, which is the Trifecta 300. For sure. Because I do hear stories of some people who've been to other places and they just haven't had the results that we're getting. It makes me feel, at my age, and I'm semi-retired, it makes me feel good that I made the right choice and that I'm now giving my patients great new options to get well holistically without the drugs and surgeries. And the other quick story would be about 2 weeks ago, I was walking my dog, I fell, and I went head first into the sidewalk. I had moderate abrasions all over my hands and my body. And goes, oh boy. In fact, I told you, we better not do this interview. So, believe it or not, I had 3 treatments in less than 6 days. All of the abrasions on my hands and things will go on. Another interesting comment I get from many women, I will notice them, they'll say, I look tired, I feel tired, like face. And you can notice it in their face, the heavy blackened lines and wrinkles and stuff. And after as little as 2 or 3 visits, I can physically notice them. And to the women that I can say this to, and I can't say it to them, I'll say, Margaret, you've only had a few visits, and I can actually notice your face looks more lively and more supple. And then the first thing they'll say is, you're about the 4th person who said, what are you doing? Are you having cosmetic surgery down on your face? Are you doing things? And it's like so remarkable to tune into that love that they have.
Yes.
For this. Without drugs and surgery. I mean, I didn't think that this stuff could be that powerful, but as little as 2 or 3 visits, I'll notice it in most of the women. And to the ones I can say that to, I proudly say it, and they laugh, and they're so excited that have someone else knows. I'm just telling you, it works. Best thing I did in my chiropractic career is to buy one of these machines, especially the Trifecta Pro 300.
That's wonderful. Thank you so much, Dr. Amari, for sharing these wonderful stories with us.